The Supreme Court has directed Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, and Ghaziabad authorities to urgently round up and shift stray dogs to shelters, stressing the need to protect children from the rabies attack. The bench emphasized that safety must outweigh sentiments and citizens should feel confident moving freely without fear of dog bite. While the order offers relief to many, experts note that without making pet owners accountable, the problem may persist, as stray dog issues in India are largely linked to irresponsible pet ownership. So let's discuss what are the India's stray and pet dog population and its scale, risk, and industry growth. So India has over 60 million stray dogs, many succumbing to disease and accident. Dog bites occur every 10 seconds, totaling 3 million annually with around 5,000 fatalities. Rabies alone kills at least 2 people every 3 hours. Strays also pose environmental hazard, discharging 15,000 tons of feces and 8 million gallons of urine on roads and fields daily. In contrast, the pet dog population stood at 30 million in 2024, growing 10 to 15% annually, alongside the expanding dog food market. And the rupees 300 crore pet dog industry is set to double by 2030, with the rising demand for luxury services like dog hotels, grooming parlor, and pet insurance from firms like Bajaj, Allianz, and Future generally. So let's talk why India's stray dog control effort have failed. Basically, India's past attempt to tackle stray dog through killing by electrocution, poisoning, shooting, or clubbing proved ineffective as partial elimination only reduced competition and spurred breeding. Since 1992, sterilization under the Animal Birth Control Rules 2001 has been the preferred method, and Animal Birth Control ABC Rule 2023 replaced the earlier 2001 rules. However, without sterilizing at least two-thirds of the canine population within 6 to 12 months, the effort fails. With limited NGO capacity, cities rarely meet this target, and even when achieved, stray numbers may still rise due to abundant food sources. Let's see how irresponsible pet ownership fuels India's stray dog crisis. With no national law mandating pet registration, sterilization, or vaccination, many owners abandon unwanted dogs or let them breed with strays. This uncontrolled breeding adds significantly to the stray population, turning most Indian stray dogs into crossbreeds. And the one thing is like feeding strays without ownership worsens aggression and attack. The growing trend of feeding stray dogs without adopting them makes them territorial and aggressive, often leading to attacks on non-feeders. Abandoned pets or proxy pet dogs behave more aggressively than true strays, worsening public safety risk. Experts link this behavior to irresponsible pet ownership and stray feeding, urging accountability for both pet owners and neighborhood feeders. The Supreme Court has warned that everyone obstructing its stray dog removal orders will face legal action and may extend accountability to feeders in upcoming hearings. Let's see the key highlights of the judgment. So, mandatory capture and detention. Strays to be picked up from all the areas, prioritizing vulnerable localities. Resistance will invite contempt of court. Authorities must set up shelters, pounds for at least 5,000 dogs within 6 to 8 weeks with adequate staff. All captured dogs to be sterilized and vaccinated. Strict CCTV surveillance of shelters, no dog to be released.